Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a photo frame effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by clicking on Image in the top menu, then choose Canvas Size. Select Inches from the drop-down and enter 2.5 for width and 2.5 for height. Ensure that the relative checkbox is checked and the foreground color is set to black and the background color is set to white. Next, create a brand new layer and rename it to Frame. Activate the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar and make sure Point Sample is set for sample size and the tolerance is set to 1. Click inside the white area, then click on Edit in the top menu and choose Fill. Select white from the drop-down, then use the Ctrl or Command D shortcut to deselect the current selection. Create another layer and rename it to Frame Trim. Click on View in the top menu, then choose New Guide Layout. Enter 30 for columns and 30 for rows, and then activate the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Activate Subtract from Selection in the Options bar, then draw an outside rectangular selection in the frame. Now draw a smaller inside rectangular selection and click on Edit in the top menu, then choose Fill. Select 50% gray from the drop-down, then use the Ctrl or Command D shortcut to deselect the current selection. Click on View in the top menu, then choose Clear Guides. Activate the frame layer, then click on Window in the top menu and choose Styles. Select Tile from the Natural drop-down, then turn off the visibility of the drop shadow effect. Double-click on the Bevel and Emboss effect, then change the Style drop-down to Emboss. Change the Technique drop-down to Smooth, and then select Pattern Overlay in the left window. From the Pattern drop-down, choose Grass Safari. Next, activate the Frame Trim layer, then click on Window in the top menu and choose Styles. Expand the Fur drop-down and then choose Bear. Create a brand new layer and rename it to Glow. Change the blend mode to Color Dodge, then click on FX and choose Blending Options. Uncheck Transparency Shapes layer, which is telling Photoshop to not use transparency as a boundary. Use the Ctrl or Command key and click on the Frame Trim's thumbnail. Now activate the Brush tool from the toolbar and make sure the foreground color is set to white and the flow is set to 5%. Slowly paint over the frame trim to add glow to it as per your liking. Use the Ctrl or Command D shortcut to deselect the current selection. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.